Hello, I am Paolo, and this is a little program written in Python, which use the graphic module Tkinter to find patterns in prime numbers. This is the program. I will write the link to download this program. I will do version from Windows thanks to PyCharms, and or you can ask me for this program in by email, written to the email info@pmusic.com. So the program is this, and it is inspired by this beautiful video, a pattern in prime numbers, in which the author explained that mathematician Ulam has seen some pattern in this square spiral, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And so if you want to do this spiral, you choose the number of sides, and the starting number. Ulam started with 1, number of iteration, and you can see that we have this disposition of prime numbers. You can choose the color for prime numbers, normal color, canvas color, also the pen color. If I will try to realize a program which color also the twin numbers like 11, 13, and so on. So we can change the canvas color also. We can make a little darker. Okay, prime color I choose this, normal color very dark, pen color also very dark, also this, and start animation. Okay, starting from 1 there is this disposition of prime numbers. If you start from 0, it is very interesting because you can see that there is one line in which will never be a prime number, and another one line in which there will never be, anzi, two lines in which will never be a prime number. Okay, I wait it stop iterations. So you can also change the size of the dot, and if you want, you now if I do start animation, you see a little line because I used the turtle graphic module in a Tkinter graphic module. You can see that there is a line, but you can eliminate this line, and so you have only dot. Hasn't worked. We have to wait. Okay. Okay, you have only dot. Now, I've seen this beautiful video, 41 and more Ulam's spiral by number 5, in which these mathematicians say that with 41 we have a great 41 is a number very special, especially for prime numbers, and with 41 you have a very interesting things, because so you have a diagonal in which the prime numbers starting from 41 go. You can see it in the program. If I can change the I changed this orange. Okay. Now I start from 41 and go. Okay, you can see that this is absolutely not normal, because in the orange you have prime numbers, and it is very special that this prime number go in this diagonal. This is very, very, very interesting. Okay. Ok, quindi you can change the starting number, the number of repetition of iterations, and the size of the dot, and also the size of the polygon. Now, for the moment, program works very well with 3 sides, 4 sides, and 6 sides in the hexagon. But if you change, you can change just to 30, but it not works very well. Also, a little works with 8 sides. So the program works well with 3 side, 4 side, 6, a little with 8, but if I change, it is not perfect. No, absolutely, because it works not well. Okay. Okay. Another interesting thing is the default start value is this. Allora, we can create a triangular spiral which starts with 29, and if I do so, there is a particular phenomenon. For me is very beautiful. As you can see, there is a disposition which divide the equilateral triangle into 3 parts, and you can go forever, and will be forever with diagonal, and this line. I have done a version with JavaScript. If you want, I put it in the description, which in which you can see it very well. Okay, and it is for me it is not normal. Is very, very special. Okay. You can also use select 6 sides, and it works very well. And when you are happy about an image, you can do a screenshot. Now I am in Linux. In Linux, if I do a screenshot with the symbol in the program, I have to pay attention at this. If I do a screenshot so, and I have this window over the image will be subbed with the window, and so it is not good. In the version written for Windows, this is not there is no this problem. So if you want to do a screenshot, you are in Linux, pay attention to this and do so. Quindi transfer this window outside the canvas, and you can see that the image is saved correctly. Okay. Yes, this is the number updated, number processed to see if the number is prime or not. As I've said before, I hope to do a version in which you can see twin prime number in overcolor. So you can see when with a color when a prime number is normal or a twin prime number. And this is all. I thank you for the attention. Bye.